Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samara. I wash my hair weekly and I use the OrganiGrowHairCo products. It's an organic vegan product. I've actually been using these products for 7 months now. So in this video I'll be using the products to create a twist out. Wash and goes really just does not work for my hair. You'll be able to see that during the video. The left side and the right side of my head are two different textures. So right now I'm going with the Growpoo clarifying shampoo just to clarify my hair, get rid of any buildup because I use gel during the week just so that my hair can stay into place. So I'm gonna go through each strand, the roots, just to make sure that the buildup is gone. So as you can see here, I'm using a scalp massager just to massage my scalp and help with getting rid of the buildup in my hair. Right now I'm gonna go wash out my hair and I will be right back. So right now I'm going in with the Growpoo Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo will moisturize the hair and also cleanse the hair. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 again just to make sure that I get the roots of my hair, the ends, and make sure everything is well cleaned. Washing the moisturizing shampoo off, now I'll get into the conditioner. Am I the only one who likes to listen to music or has to listen to music during wash day? Like, my favorite thing to listen to is Pandora Summer Hits of the 2000s radio. I just love the 2000s music. The early 2000s music is the bomb. So now I'm gonna go in with the Growtein Free Deep Moisture Condish, and I've sectioned my hair again in 4 sections, and making sure that I finger detangle as well. And now I'm going to twist the hair and then continue with the rest of the hair. Go in with the Tangle Teaser for the thick and curly hair just to help me detangle my hair during the process. I also use it in the shower after I've finished deep conditioning. So now that's done, I'm gonna use my grocery bag just to trap in the heat. I'm gonna leave my hair in this for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna also use my towel just to wrap up my head and also I guess create extra heat. After I finish washing, now I'll just use a microfiber towel just to dry off the excess of water, and then I'll section my hair into 4 sections. Then I will go in with the hairdo leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna spray that on the section that I'm working with first. With the Mega Mango, which is a moisture milk, and it helps with moisturizing the hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the conditioning curling custard, which is like a light gel type like formula. It's not heavy at all. It's really good for like a light feel. I'm going to put that over my hair, and then I am going to use the tangler just to detangle just a little bit, and then I'm going to twist. Went off camera and came back with the right side of my head completely done because my battery was dying and I just wanted to charge it just a little bit. So now I am going on to the left side, and I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about, how my right side of my head is much more of a defined curl than the left side of my head, I should say. So I'm going to continue going in with the hairdo, the Mega Mango milk, and then the curling custard, and continue to twist. Right now I'm just gonna use my spray bottle just to wet my hair a little bit because it was drying, and then I'll go in with the hairdo, the moisture milk, and then section it off again, and then go in with the curling custard. Go in with the stimulating scalp beverage. I'll put that all over my roots, in between my hair, just making sure that I get each and every, I guess, section, because my scalp is actually always dry. It's 2 days later. Up early trying to get my hair done before I head to work. So I just went in with the Redo Pre-Poo, which is actually a pre-shampoo product that you use before you shampoo your hair. But actually I like using the product after I've done washing my hair, just to help with making my hair feel more moisturized, shiny, and also it helps with the frizz. Now that I'm doing a twist out, it's much more of a thick formula than the stimulating scalp beverage, so I like using it as well. Now I'm gonna part my head on the right side. My twister, just for me, looks much more better when I have that side part. I'm gonna use 2 pins just to keep it in place while I fluff out my hair. And now I'm gonna remove the pins, put in the Eco Styler gel on the side just to keep it in place, and then I'm gonna comb it out just a little bit and put back in the pins. Gonna go back in with the hair pick just to fluff it just a little more, try to make it look possible, because like I said, the left side of my hair just does not curl the way my right side does, and like the front of my head is like, you can see it's like a looser curl and it can get pretty annoying, so I'm trying to make it work. The website for OrganiGrowHairCo will be left in the description box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay blessed.